Hi everyone, it's Matt here from Digidine Restaurant Online Courses. Hope you're well. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you are viewing this or if you've come from the restaurant meetup group, then hi, nice to see you here. If you've come via YouTube, then thank you very much. Or if you come via the website, or if you're just a repeat visitor, it's nice to have you back. Now, if you haven't subscribed already, please do so. You'll see links in the comment section below this video and also in the description where you can get direct access to subscribe so you can get future videos and tutorials like this. Now, just quickly, I've done some updated research and I've used this for a client of mine with which I have one-to-one consultation with people in the food industry. Now, this is just a snippet from a bit of market research that I've done, product research for his or that project, but I've just snippeted or snapshotted a tiny bit of this content just to show you how important it is to do market research. And this particular one is on plant-based food to see a predicted explosion growth by 2030. Now, this is a prediction of a huge growth in the industry sector. So in 2020, the plant-based sector, if you like, was worth 29.4 billion. Now by 2030, it's predicted to be 162 billion. Now that's a huge, huge growth. You know, that's a huge amount of money, and people are repeatedly and more warming towards the idea of plant-based foods. It's better for the environment. It's much, if it's done right, it's so much more tasty, it's much more healthier, and of course it's so much better for animals and fish. Of course it is, and people are slowly getting to support that. And it's important, you know, sustainability, which is another thing that I'll cover in a different video. But the difference in money that's generated in like sustainable ingredients and plant-based food, etc., is massive. And for those of you that haven't yet set up your food business, like a restaurant, for instance. Now, I've had many food businesses, two of which being restaurants, one of which being a catering company. And trust me, by the time you've got an idea to do it, to actually get the keys and have it an operation trading business, it takes a long time. Now it's 2024 now. We're almost halfway through the decade that this is predicted when. So we're the wave of this trend, if you like, it's beginning to rise, and it's time to make action on this so you don't miss that wave and you don't miss this trend. I'm not saying it's going to crash to the bottom by 2030, but trends change, so do people's behavior, and what people want, desires, etc. They do as well. But it's definitely something to start thinking about, is researching what is on trend, what is peaking, what's not peaking, what's customer behavior, what people are buying, what's the market offering, etc. Now, this document here is available as a free PDF downloadable resource, which again, you can get the link to download it in the comment section and the description of this video as well. It's only an A4 page, but it just gives you enough snippet information on this particular thing that you can then do some more research yourself. But once you've done your research and you need to start thinking about writing a menu. So if you've already got a food business, for instance, and you just want to write a new menu, this is you do this as well, basically. So whatever the trend is, and what people are buying, what people are wanting, what's selling, you know, this research will tell you that. Now, I'm not trying to sell you anything here, but I'm just explaining what I do for a living, because I am a restaurant consultant and I do it via the medium of online courses and also one-to-one consultation. Now, this YouTube channel and these snippet video tutorials are my way of saying thank you to people that subscribe, and it just helping people as much as I can with the time I have and the fact that this is all free. The time it takes to do this is free. I'm not earning money from this, so it's just to help people basically. But any of you that once you've done this research I do offer these courses where you can see here that it's got all the different information that you need to write a recipe. Okay, so it starts an editable menu template. Okay, and then it's all explained by video tutorials. And we go to ingredient lists, which is all the nutritional values. We've got creative idea thinking, we've got introduction to menu development, menu costing, how to edit the spreadsheet in the menu costing thing, because I've also developed and formulated an automated spreadsheet to help you cost it out perfectly. I won't go into this too much detail because, like I said, I'm not trying to sell something, but once you've done this research, after you've downloaded the free PDF, and you're going to want to start doing a menu. So just jot some ideas down and stuff. But like I say, you can choose to click the link again in the description, in the comment section to this course. And also for you that want to go one-to-one, full steam ahead, I do one-to-one consultation. But I'll give you an idea of the menu that I've done, just an example, that I've created this using exactly the same sections and resources and downloadable stuff that's in that menu course that I developed. But you've got to really research your ingredients, research the time of year that the ingredients are grown, and understand what's on trend, which is exactly what we're saying about that plant-based produce. It's very important to do research. Once you've found a peak, a trend that's not peaking, it's just on the way to peak, that will give you a very clear indication of what style of food or ingredients to use in your menu writing. So the challenge here is to download this free PDF. Go and do some research yourself about what's on trend. But like I said, that trend that I've found is factual. So have a look at plant-based ingredients before you go and waste your time writing a menu on, say, a burger restaurant that's just serving beef burgers. I'm not saying it won't work, but it might be worth just digging a bit deeper before you write any menus and stuff. So there's your challenge for this week. Go and do some market research, some product research, some customer behavior analysis. See what's on trend, see what the market is telling you, see what's happening out there before you waste any time with writing a menu. If you need any more help, click the links to the courses. And those of you that really want to put your throat down, contact me and we can do one-to-one consultation. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. And I hope this has been enjoyable, helpful, and you've learned a bit. I'll see you next week. Thank you.